on our way to the warehouse.
This is ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Hello, everyone. Anna Hill from Officially-Unofficial reporting to you some behind the scenes of an amazing company housed right here in Skaneateles Lake. With me today, I say Skaneateles Lake. You know what? It is a lake. It is a lake. With me today is Amanda Morrissey, and she is the operations manager here at HABA USA. What is HABA? What is HABA?
HABA is been here for 41 years and mostly wooden toy company. We have a couple other gems here, but it's mostly wooden toys. And I would say the age range is from infant to about 12.
So let me ask you a question because, this is the wooden toys. What can kids do with wooden toys nowadays? What can they do? How was it? Actually, how was the pandemic with wooden toys when technology was so prominent?
So I think that our business has taken off from that because it is, I think parents were looking for something different besides iPads going on the computer. And so we have a couple different sets. We have wooden blocks, and then we also have a brand called Cooler Boo, which is kind of like a train / wooden blocks hybrid, which was super popular during the pandemic.
Okay, and that is awesome because the key here, you guys, is wooden toys. I didn't know about this amazing gem here in Skaneateles, right? Just about what, 20 miles, 30 miles of circus?
Yes, I would say so, yeah.
So close, you guys. I had a wooden toys from here, and I didn't even know you guys were here.
I know. I think a lot of people say that. They have no idea that they're like, oh, they get gifts from people from around here, from Skaneateles, and they're like, wow, this is TC Timber.
Right, right. And that's how it started, right? So let's go there. How, right? How was Skaneateles chosen as the spot for this amazingness?
So the Habermas family owns HABA USA, HABA family group actually now, in Germany. And so they came over and were looking for an established manufacturing plant here in the U.S. And they thought that Skaneateles was the most similar to Bad Rodock, Germany, where they are currently located, still located to this day.
So how long has this distribution center been in the town of Skaneateles?
So we have been here for 41 years. It originally started out in 1980 as TC Timber, and then it was switched to HABA in the early 2000s.
Okay, and then how about the family business? How long have they been in?
They have been in business for 83 years, which is remarkable, and it's still owned by the same Habermas family to this day.
That is amazing. I didn't want to get rid of the toy, the little train set that came from. I didn't want to get rid of it because it was such a good quality. Yet I didn't know who the manufacturer was, right? But hey, everything came to a full circle.
I know, it really did. It really did.
21 years later for me, But we're gonna show you. The back there where the elves are working really hard right now. But before we close, is there anything else you want to let the community know about HABA USA and this outlet store, right? Because this is an outlet store.
Yeah, so we actually switched it over after the pandemic that it was going to be completely outlet, 100% damaged box, discounted items, because we were just getting so much back and we didn't want to get rid of the items. They are still in perfect condition otherwise than their outside packaging. So we wanted to have an opportunity for the local community to get discounted items that would have otherwise been thrown away or given away. So
and that is a great thing to do because, let's bring little Carrie, right? Little Carrie. Let's bring little Carrie over here. She's a cute, look at her, you guys.
Adorable.
She's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at, hi, you guys. Great, all right, you guys, without further ado, let's go back there.
On our way to the warehouse. So this is all of our business to consumer area right here. We pretty much doubled the amount of orders that we were shipping out. This past Monday, we shipped more than 2,000 out of the Skaneateles warehouse.
More than 2,000
Yes,
packages.
packages just on this area alone.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is still all of our business to consumer. And then this is our business to business over here, and that's going all out to specialty retailers that are just small mom and pop
Got it.
shops.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is great. So not only do you guys distribute to, big,
Yes.
but also to
To small ones.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this is great.
Yeah. Yeah, we still very much consider the small retailers when we make our decisions too, because they're such a huge part of our business.
Right, for sure. And that is so nice because,
is.
like small retailers need these custom or this unique items.
Yes.
To,
Yeah, totally distinguish themselves from
Yes.
the Targets, and yeah, we're not in any of the Targets or Walmarts. We only sell online to those customers.
have an amazing Christmas.
Thank you. Yeah.
Right? And relaxed Christmas.
Yeah, absolutely. We're in our final stretch here, the final 2 weeks. So, yeah. Then we need some R&R for sure.
So, everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Anna Hill from Officially-Unofficial, and I am here with,
Amanda Morrissey.
yes, from HABA USA, one of the coolest gems here in the town of Skaneateles. Bye, you guys.
Thank you so much for coming and seeing how we do business here. It's been such a wonderful Christmas season, and check our Facebook page, HABA USA, for any more information.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma.